shamed relentlessly by my peers for not wearing a hijab. This is my story. Hi everyone, my name is Mimi and I'm 10 years old. Ever since I was in grade 1, I have been judged for not wearing a hijab because I am a Muslim. Until today, they still make fun of me and say I'm shaming our class and whatsoever. People judge me just because I'm not wearing a hijab. I'm not the only one who doesn't wear it in my class, but I get the bulk of the shaming. It's not fair at all. That is so messed up. They talk behind my back all the time. They should stop shaming Muslim girls for not wearing hijab. It is our choice if we want to wear it or not. My reply to them is before judging someone, make sure you're perfect. And you might be wondering, who are the people that judged me? Firstly, it was my ex-best friend and another girl in my class. They started calling me names and started rumors about why I'm not wearing a hijab. Here's an incident that made me cry. One day, I was just minding my own business, talking to my best friend. My best friend overheard someone spreading false rumors about me. Some of my peers were calling me awful names and I had no clue why. All I knew is that I hated it and it made me cry. Luckily, my best friend Hanishka was always there to support me in every step of the way since grade 2. She helped me overcome the depression that I had for nearly 3 weeks. We are both alike. The class hated me for not wearing a hijab, and the class hated her because she's the only Indian in our class. Let's just say most of our classmates are racist. And what about the teachers or my parents? Well, the teachers never actually cared. And my parents, well, they never really knew because I was too scared to tell them about it. If they knew, there would be a big problem. So you might be wondering why I said that I'm shaming our class. Here's the story. We had a Muslim program that is called Maulidul Rasul, and teacher asked me to hold the flag. One of the girls asked me to let go of the flag and pass it to another person. Why? I asked. Apparently, I was shaming the class for not wearing hijab. I was shocked and didn't know what to do. There was another girl in my class that doesn't wear hijab either. She just likes to draw because she doesn't talk a lot in class, since she gets anxious easily. They did not pick on her because she is very quiet and hardly talks. Anishka and I will talk to her and invite her to join our team during the group projects. She always feels left out because the class hated her too. So what did I do? I gave them a piece of my mind. Well, not really. Anishka told me not to pick fights with them because it will lead to more problems, so I just ignored them. And it really helped. I cut them out of my life pretending they didn't exist. And trust me, that was one of the best choices I've ever made. If you are facing this kind of problem, my opinion is that you should always ignore them. Don't ever let them get to your head, or it's just gonna get worse. I'm saying this because I have experienced it, and I don't want you to make the same mistake as I did. It's really messed up. You would really regret it. Trust me. They call you names just to make you feel awful or angry. If you just ignore them, they're the ones that are going to get angry and eventually quit. Lastly, never ever judge someone unless you make sure you're perfect. Thank you very much for listening to my speech. Please spread the story to protect people who have the same problem. Love yourselves and let's spread love and kindness together. Thank you.
Start again.